Eziukwu Road. On today's episode of Rebuilder 365, we will be focusing on the Eziukwu Road. For many years, the people of Eziukwu Road gritted their teeth and had to literally swim through mud waters to get to their homes and businesses. It was so bad.
I run a business in this Eziukwu Road. I deal with the Westmen. In fact, ever before, this road was the worst road in the town and nobody can walk here. Business was paralyzed there.
Before this road, you don't go to work for this road now because the frame for here itself used to be very, very bad.
For past 4 years, I travel Mirizu, before Camira's Mira de Putafa, I gave me a name. I am Palisba Honoza.
With no end of their plight in sight, the rebuilder, Governor Ikpeazu, came to the rescue and reconstructed the Eziukwu Road.
In the name of God the Father, God the Son, and God the Spirit.
The governor, while commissioning the road, assured that the roads would last at least 30 years as it was done by cement rigid pavement.
Today we are happy. Where the business can go smoothly. Where we are so much happy for our governor, Dr. Eziukwu. I also encourage him to add more grace to his elbow for his good works, and the Lord will bless him more.
First of all, I want to say a very big thank you to our governor, Governor Eziukwu, because he's doing so much well. But he came, the road has been very, very good. As you can see, the road is so much peaceful now. Before it is not like this. So a very big thank you to Eziukwu. May God bless him and let him continue doing his good way. We love him as a governor.
Ọchịchị Okezie Ikpeazu ụzọ wee wuri ihe arụrụ arụ short ọchịchị adị anyị mma asị ka agbapụrụ inye ego ya gbara ego ọchịchị Okezie dị anyị mma n'ahụ anyị sola na ndị ketere oke n'ọchịchị asị ya chere gawa n'ihu.
Today, the suffering of the residents of Eziukwu Road is over as they now have a new life. Thanks to the rebuilder, Governor Okezie Ikpeazu. Project 013, Eziukwu Road, Aba.